Namaskaram.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do a 5 variation of abs exercise. So right now we are just going to do a warm up here. So see this warm up. Right now we are going to do a proper core strengthening exercise. So that will help your core to get more harder. So guys, please always try to do a warm up, and if you are new to our channel, just subscribe. So see this warm up. See guys, we are making all the video a bit faster because I know a lot of people, lot of channels are there by explaining all the things and all. So that's why we plan to make a just exercises. Whatever doubts you have, just comment it. We are going with the first variation. So let's see this first. So this one is for your upper abs. Okay. So keep your leg back and hands wider like this and hold it for 30 seconds into 3 sets. Guys, you should feel on the upper abs while doing this. You will get a middle feel. Middle abs also will work while doing all the hold exercises and all. You'll feel on middle also. So it should be like 30 seconds into 3 sets. Just see this form and start doing. Here we are going with the second variation. Try to hold like a hollow hold. So guys, when you do this, you'll feel on the proper middle abs. Okay. So try to hold as this board. So while doing this, same reps will be like 30. Try to increase the reps if you want to make more effect on the core and all. So guys, so form is as this board. Keep your leg like this and hands upward, and try to keep your upper body upward. Don't touch on the floor. So it should be raised up as this board, and try to do like 30 seconds. So let's go with the third variation. We are going with the third variation. So this is for a lower abs. So this hold here should raise your hands more upper and try to keep the knee bend as this one and try to do. So the hold will be like around like 30 seconds. So all will be as same reps. So try to do this for 30 seconds as this word. You should feel your little bit middle abs also will be getting effect while doing this all exercises. So try it. So this one is a core strengthening exercise also. Your core will get more harder. So let's go with the fourth variation. The fourth variation. So it's a single-handed plank. See this form. So hold your back should be straight. Keep your back flat and hand straight as this word. Hold it for at least 30 seconds. If you want to do single side is enough. Keep your back straight and try to do it like 30 seconds. So guys, this is the second last exercise. Try this. This all will be helpful for making your core more stronger. So it can tight your core also. It can reduce your waist also, and your belly fat also. Everything will be worked in one shot exercise. So try this. Let's go with the next variation. If you want to change the hand, please change the hand and try to do. So let's do the last variation of plank and stop it. So guys, here we go with the last variation of plank. Hold it at least for 1 minute. Who have shoulder problem and all, don't need to try 1 minute. Try to do at least 40 seconds. So keep on holding as this word. So guys, this is the last variation. So whatever doubts you have, just comment it. So see you on the next video guys. Take care guys.